to talk about our MicroMark marking knife, exclusive to MicroMark. It comes in a retail ready package, very nice packaging, and I'll go ahead and open it up. So really nice handle, lightweight, stainless steel, sharp, very sharp edge, as you can see, and it's just ideal to take a straight edge and do some marking. It leaves a very precise sort of a mark. It's got edges on both sides, so if you're right-handed or left-handed, you could use it either way, and just makes a very precise mark in wood so that you can do your woodworking. MicroMark's marking knife.